Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Ka Police Training Center jong ke 6 Battalion ke Meghalaya Police kemudian Umran Ribhai District mentakasngi kalayo ban sakhi ke passing out parade jong ki Shispa Ngut ki unarmed branch recruit constables ke Director General of Police ke Jala ke kong Ida Shisha Nongrang kalawan ban Shimenta kum ke Kongsan hakani kasngi haka jinron ringkat ukamandan ketika Jaka Ajing Hikai Urituraj Ravi lambat kiwe de ki he pulit ke Jala. Hakani lawan ru bane Shimenta ringkat daki bahaya hasem bat ki bait bathon jig diki samla ki bala Pyndep Ajing Hikai ketika Jaka bat ki ban sarung kamno asian kum ki pulit haki Jaka bapher jong ke Jala. Habakran hakani kasngi ka kong Ida Shisha Nongrang kalapen paw ki jing sngo sarong bat ai khuble kerpangi ki teki Shispa Ngut ki samla ki ban sarung kam hakatanat unarmed branch ringkat Ngut ki Nongbud lani kita ki follower jong katanat pulit ke Jala. Ngasngo tanat ban pdiang sngo bhaya phi baro shari ying kasem jong katanat pulit ke Jala Meghalaya laong ka kong Nongrang. Ketika he pulit jong ke Jala kalapen paw ru e ka jing sngo kemen ban yi bamenta ka ganti ki ladan bon ru ki samla ki badan wat e ki kerdan ki bahe bat ki bala Pyndep e ka graduate bat post graduate ki bala Pyndep e ka ni ki jing Shah Hikai om kum haki por ki ba menshwa ba khamnyar e ki bala kham he kerdan ki ban rum kam kum ki lang rut hakatanat pulit.
Unarmed branch recruit constable Future Maharaj, the battalion commander approaching the right. The Gaussian car is driven by Havildar Karat Goro from Director General Home Guard and Civil Defense and on clear campus before taking out her assignment.
Followed by Pattern number 2, commanded by Ubrc, luminous Marvin approaching the guys for giving the salute.
With a strength of 26 personnel, led by Battalion Commander Ubrc, Manre, Pinaman, Mara.
Battalion Commander Stand up from the 6th personnel led by Battalion Commander Anand Branch.
Especially the ladies and gentlemen who are here, the families of all the recruit constables passing out today, and most importantly, the recruit constables who are here today. All 104 of you have done yourselves proud. As we stand here today, and after taking the oath to serve the Meghalaya Police, let me be the first to welcome you into the Meghalaya Police family. As you pass out today, you have before you an unblemished record. There are some amongst you who have won prizes. This should be taken as an inspiration and as an indication that you have many more prizes to win. For those who have not, rest assured that there will be umpteen opportunities for you to win prizes and laurels for the Meghalaya Police, for yourselves and for your country. I take this opportunity to congratulate the Armed Police Training Center and all the instructors who have obviously put in a lot of effort to ensure that these 104 constables and the 7 followers who are part of this parade today have done so exceedingly well. They are a reflection of all the hard work and dedication to duty that you as instructors have imparted into them. As stated by the Commandant in his report, a number of subjects have been touched upon, and you have been given an opportunity to learn about various things. As you stepped out into regular duty henceforth, you will be called upon to utilize all those inputs that have been given to you. you will also find a number of things are not exactly what they are taught you in the training center. You will also be faced with a number of choices. The only advice I can give you is that whatever choice you make, be sure that you can be, you take the choice that you can live with, a choice that will be reflective of the things, the instructions that have been given to you, and the priorities and the principles that you hold most dear. The challenges before the mega libraries grow with each passing day. The challenges that you, especially as unarmed branch constables, will face even more. I'm glad to hear that we have so many graduates and postgraduates amongst this 104. It is a reflection of the times when we do not have graduates and postgraduates opting to become recruit constables of mega libraries. It is a reflection of the times also that with the passage of time, change happens, and these changes are welcome. I would exhort all of the recruit constables here today, whatever your background, whatever your qualifications, you are now a part of these force. You are expected to be disciplined, and you have displayed that in the parade that you have this morning. I wish you all the very, very best, and I am sure that what the commandant has said, that you will be a leading light in the mega libraries in the years to come. Once again, thank you, and Jai Hind, Hila.